Hey guys, this is Danny with MarineMax here in Greenville, South Carolina. I want to show you this beautiful 2025 280 SLX Sea Ray that just came in this week. You can see the full black hull of this boat. It's very sleek looking. It's got the power bimini top that comes all the way down to the windshield, gives you great coverage. Also with a windlass on the front, makes it easier for anchoring out. And just an absolutely gorgeous boat. Let me take you around back and show you a little bit more. Looking at the back of the boat, you can see that we have the sea deck package here that covers everything and a nice sun pad in the back. This also has the electronic submersible platform that will drop down in the water. So it's nice just to be able to sit on that step and about a foot into the water. This boat is equipped with the 430 horsepower 8.2 MerCruiser. This is an awesome performing boat, and let's go upstairs and let's show you. Now that we're up here in the bow of this boat, I want to show you this. This has got a beautiful tan leather interior, nice and rich looking. Has the integrated stainless steel handrails. They're all on the SLX are wrapped in the leather, so it really gives it a nice look, nice feel. I love the way the speakers are integrated into the wall there as well, so you don't really see them as speakers. You got plenty of storage in this boat underneath the helm. You got tons of storage under here with a trash can area here. And then you got your wind cutoff door here. You can just kind of shut this off and then close the wind off if you want to do a little night cruising. This actually has the a vacuum flush head inside there as well. Come on back and look at the Simrads here. This has the new designed Simrad glass dash here. It gives you all of your diagnostics, all of your maps. Everything is loaded right here, and everything that you want to do in this boat you can control right there with that dash. Like I said, this has the power bimini top, so this will come all the way down basically to the top of the windshield right there. So it's really easy to get under bridges and things like that. This has the nice wraparound seating. It's got plenty of storage underneath all of here, very deep storage. You can put all kinds of stuff in here. This is a nice place to put maybe a little soft cooler. You can put it down in here, and then you actually have to, you can just, open up that door and don't have to move anybody out of the seat or anything like that to get to it. Back here on the back, it's got a nice full transom walk-through here, and it's really nice sun pad. I mean, this is the best thing about sitting out here, and you can actually got a built-in cooler right here. So you could actually put some drinks and ice and everything in there, and it will drain out for you. So if you'd like more on this boat, please come visit us here at Greenville MarineMax, and we'll see you then. Thank you.